Hello and welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already subscribed, click on that subscribe button. Everything you need to know about Prophetic Diary is down in the description box. How to sign up for that one-on-one encouragement call with myself, and also how to sign up for the PD Society group circle. That meets every Sunday at 10 a.m. I would love to see you there, and make sure you click on that notification bell and like button as well. I'm going to be in Nehemiah 3 today, and it reads, in verse 17, it says, Nehemiah said, let us build. Let us start rebuilding. So they begin to do the good work, right? So Nehemiah, they were doing the good work. And then it says, but they started to get ridiculed and mocked. And they said, are you rebelling against the king? And Nehemiah answered them by saying, the God of heaven will give us success. We, his servants, will start rebuilding. But as for you, he says, you have no claim to the historical rights of it. So what is Nehemiah getting at? Nehemiah is basically saying, I am doing the good work. I'm working on exactly what he called me to do. And even with your mockery, even with you trying to say, oh, you don't have the right to do that, I'm still going to build. He said, I have favor with the king and I have favor with God. And Nehemiah knew that they had no right and no claims to what they were doing. And I don't know what you're working on, and I don't know what you're building. Some of you are waiting on God to give you a yes or a no, so you're just sitting patiently waiting for him to position you, tell you to move, tell you if you should continue on in that relationship. You're waiting for an answer, and you're going to get that answer. And you're going to be able to start rebuilding what was broken down. It doesn't matter how they mock. It doesn't matter how they laugh. It doesn't matter how they come at you. They have no rights, and they have no claims to the things that God has for you. You will rebuild that relationship. You will rebuild your career. You will rebuild your finances. You will, no matter what the mockers say, because you have permission from God and favor with man. So I hope this word encourages you like it encourages me. If you feel led to sow into this word, hashtag I will rebuild.